Resources.
This tutorial is to provide an overview of the resources. You can access resources directly from the landing page. There are many resources to support your instruction. You can search by capital letters, lowercase letters, numbers, a click away, or resource type. Here's an example of how you might access these resources to support your instruction. If you want to provide some additional teaching for, say, lowercase d, you can click on the lowercase d and you'll see that we have the resources listed here that are available. These include letter and number formations and wet, dry, try. Now, let me share some resources with you from A Click Away. A Click Away includes extra practice pages for additional practice for pencil pickups, as well as Check My Grip and Help Me Write My Name, just to name a few. If I click on Help Me Write My Name, it's a PDF for me to download and be able to send home to parents to understand how to help children with name writing. Another additional resource that we have here are the home links. Home links are designed for additional practice of letter groups after using the student edition. Let's go ahead and look at the Magic C letter group. Here is the Magic C letter group, and this provides a descriptive for families in how to use this page and have the students imitate and practice. And lastly, you can search by resource type, which includes capitals on wood pieces, letter and number formation, wet, dry, try, animations, music, live teaching videos, and connection videos, or R-World. All of these resources are embedded throughout the student edition, but these also allow you to show an individual resource for students outside of the student edition. For example, you may go to the live teaching videos to show different ways of letter formation. Let's go ahead and look at one of these teaching videos. I'm going to play Air Writing lowercase h.
Air writing, lowercase h. Pencils, pencils in the air, pencils, pencils everywhere. Follow me, and then you'll see how to write letters correctly. Lowercase h. Dive down, swim up, and over, down. All right, boys and girls, pencils in the air, follow me. Dive down, swim up, and over, down. Good job.
This is a great way to show demonstration of the letter via an online learning platform, and to be able to do this prior to students writing in their student edition too. So if I want to pin this, I can go up here to pin this particular video, and this will land in my pinned resources. When I go to my pinned resources, this is my location that I can find my favorite resources at an easy access. Well, here are some reasons why you will use resources. Resources will support your handwriting lessons. They'll provide additional reinforcement of the letters learned. And resources can be sent home to adult helpers for extra practice. Thank you for listening today.